Alright, y'all. Good morning. It's your boy Mike detailing up another vehicle. It's a Cadillac. She wants this vehicle back how it was, from the original, from the beginning. Smell good and look good. So that's what I'm gonna do today for her. Cause girls like to keep the cars clean, you know. But hey, she busy. Nothing's wrong with that. But let me take care of my client for her first. Hey y'all, this is all after. I did wonderful, very good for this lady vehicle. So y'all need to go book me. It's all after. She like it. It smell good in here. How you first get the vehicle too. Y'all book me, y'all.